Welcome back to North Coast Garage. On this episode, we work on Dad's Cadillac. It's an 2011 DTS, and we're going to change the wheel bearing. I think first we're going to check and make sure that it actually needs to be changed, and then make sure we think it's the left front. And yeah, we're just going to jack it up, and then we'll check and see if it's actually the left front that needs to be changed, and then we'll get changing it. So we think it's this passenger side front, actually, that's making the noise. But yeah, what's that? This one?
Yeah.
Well, you want to do the other side first, or? Okay. Go.
The other wheel was turning, right?
Yeah, that's turning. You can hear the whining noise? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. It's this one, eh? Yeah. And this one you can tell. Listen. You can see it here. You can feel it and see the play. Yeah. So it's definitely the passenger side front. Off to a great start. These aren't the factory GM lug nuts, so they must have replaced these at Burlington Tire. No. Oh, okay. Yes, I am. You should see the oil on this thing. The oil leak on this. Look at this dripping.
Natural oil undercoating.
Yeah.
Is there any wires broken on that one? Is that why my lights on?
It's been repaired once. Twice. It's been repaired twice.
Really?
Or 3 times. It looks like it anyway. There's tape on it.
Yeah, it helps it helps stop the rust, you see. Is that good?
I think that's the wheel bearing that's making that noise, Dad.
Okay.
Could be the tie rod too.
Oh. No, it's when
this here?
It's when you're speeding up and slow. It's when you're speeding up here.
All right.
Tie rod would be like if you were turning, you would probably hear clunking, right?
Yeah.
No.
So you can I'll have to take off the caliper and everything. I just hope that that's gonna come off. Look how rusty that is.
Do you have any to spray on there right now?
Yeah. This hasn't been off in a long time. If
ever.
Yeah. We'll let that some go loose juice. Because that does not look good. We'll let that sit there for a while.
Scott home yet? Scott home now? It looks like it's the passenger side.
That's what we're dealing with here. That's really, really rusty. Hopefully it can break free. Look at this car. North Star with like 300,000 kilometers on it. It's self rust proofing itself. Self rust proofing itself. So to do these wheel bearings, it's the exact same as my Buick actually. I think it's the exact same part. You just take off the caliper, rotor, and you loosen this to loosen the hub and everything. So I'll get back to you when we're getting ready for that. Oh. Okay, do you see is there a bungee cord in there?
Yep. Yes. Yeah, you'll need something
Yeah, to hang the caliper.
hang the caliper on.
That was Dante's. I had it. This is actually Dante. That was Dante's.
Was it Dante's?
You need a caliper hanger.
Ah, right here, bungee cord.
Oh.
That was Dante's. That was Dante's.
I don't know if you've ever replaced calipers or got on this car, or is it the other car you've done all the brake work on?
That was
I don't know.
Dante's. That was Dante's.
The brake pads on this are new.
Yes, that was
Okay.
Fairly new anyway.
Well, if they're new, you've done it. But I don't think we've ever replaced calipers. We've only done rotors and...
Yeah.
Let's just stick it back. Look.
Okay, there should be a 15 millimeter socket in that bin. Use your chrome sockets on your impact. This was a great investment. So much handier than the air-powered one. Right? That was $60. And it uses the same batteries that I already have for these.
You see, what is that arm called right there? This thing here. Yeah,
Control arm?
What is it?
Lower control arm?
And have you ever had to replace those?
No, you don't usually.
Do they break?
No, it depends if you have to do the ball joints and stuff. If they're okay, so all right. Oh, there's a 50-50 chance this strips or it comes out. If it strips, then we just have to drill it out.
Not good.
It doesn't take much. There we go. I just need to put this somewhere where it's not going to get damaged. Okay, now. There's 13 millimeters that hold these. That hold the wheel bearing is 13 millimeters. There's 3 of them. And they're extremely tight. Oh. You can see the problem we're going to have here. This is an aluminum knuckle, and the wheel bearing is made of metal, steel. And the two metals corrode and basically weld themselves together. Can you take the jack handle off, the top part of the jack handle off? Just undo that screw. I'll use that for leverage here. I don't have a breaker bar that's going to fit in here. Two out of three. Do you want to turn the steering wheel back the other way? Try. Yeah. Might be easier to get at it from this side. There we go. The heck? I might need the Milwaukee for this one. That one's tight.
Be a lot of
That's tight. No, this one should get it now. Can you imagine how hot that is?
Yeah, it's smoking pretty good. Don't touch it. Started to get a bit of a move. I thought it was the other side though.
Oh, I can't believe that just came out. I usually the drive shaft is seized in the hub.
Is that good?
No, that's amazing. I didn't think that was going to happen that easily. Now you can turn the wheel so it's straight.
Make it straight?
Yeah. Okay, a bit more. There. Yeah. Now we just got to get the hub off.
Is it moving at all?
It looks like it's moved a little bit, but I'm not sure.
Oh, is this where it comes apart, like right from in there?
Yeah. Bigger hammer.
Well, just watch. I don't want to replace the fender too.
This isn't sketchy. Should I just like wrap this right around the hub?
Yeah.
I wonder if it should. Oh, this is sketchy. I just don't want it to come flying up. Oh. Oh. There you go. Now now the camera can get me getting killed on video. Come on. Oh. Oh,
now.
I saw that one move. Turn the wheel down on the car to make it straight. It's pulling it on one side.
Okay. Yeah, that's the way it works.
Yeah.
This is just kind of...
There we go. Oh, you.
Somebody smoked one. There you go.
That was a lot of pressure on there.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got to get the
wire out.
That actually worked really good, Tim. Thank you.
That's how I have to take it off the cord.
Yeah, good news. Yeah, good news.
Look at the corrosion in there. The aluminum, it literally had welded itself in there.
So what do you have to clean that up before you can put the new one in? With a wire brush or something?
Yeah. You see why I didn't want to come out now, eh?
Yeah.
Look at all that corrosion. Turn it this way.
You have to put any grease in there when you put it back?
No.
That looks good, Steve. Air nozzle?
Yeah, there should be one hanging on the side of the shopping cart. It's orange. If it's not there, I'll have to get up and look for it.
Yeah.
Push it in to just get the wire through.
There you go.
Yeah. I don't want the wire that side. I want it to go on this side. A little bit of lube on it.
What?
Yeah, one sec.
Did you help? Yeah.
Very specific
Is
torque.
this supposed to go on first?
Yeah.
Let's be on this.
Okay, turn the wheel back the other way.
Okay.
All done. Take the jack stands out.
Line up.
As long as you... Do you want to drive it and see if the wheel's noise is gone now?
Yeah. Just lower it?
No, don't lower it.
Oh.
Start it up and...
What's that doing?
Go again. Sounds like it's rubbing on something.
Okay, well,
Oh, I see. It's just that's just that metal bracket that's bent.
Oh.
It's rubbing on the rotor. Where's that flathead screwdriver?
No.
No, the other one. Nope, right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's all that is.
You want me to start it?
Yeah, it should be fine now.
Okay, I'll start it up. Let it spin.
Go ahead. Better, eh? Okay. Hold on. Wait. Let me hold this side. We'll see if you hear the noise. Yeah, just go slow at first. No more. That fixed it? Did the ABS light go off?
No.
No?
Come on.